Welcome to Black Z Garage. It's another hostile takeover by me, Wendy. We're going to be putting subframe connectors on my car. I already had some on the car, but they were from 1994, the old-fashioned kind. We're going to get a good new upgrade with these by Gen 2. Got them from Dave at Pro Touring F Body. Look at these. These are awesome. Very, very nice. Can't wait to get them on the car. Gonna really set the car up nice, I know, for getting it back out to the drag strip. So let's go get busy, get to work. This subframe connector project is going to be a little bit more difficult because I happen to have old subframe connectors already in the car. I'm going to loosen up the front subframe bolt and the leaf spring bolts in the back. You'll see me in the video. I'm shimmying these suckers out. We're going to get rid of them. And we're going to go with the new ones that Dave gave me at Pro Touring F Body. I'll put his new ones in, mark the holes, and you'll see where I have to drill them out to put the bolts in. And those suckers are going to really be a mass improvement to what I had. Thanks, Dave. This is so we don't lose anything.
Push it towards the back of the car and wiggle it. There you go. I can tell.
I got the old subframe connectors out. I got everything bolted back together again. I also kicked that cat out. It's not even my cat. I'm going to put these new ones up in here and see how they fit. I'm so excited. Haha, no way. Look how good they fit. Oh, that was easy. You mean I'm not even going to have to modify anything? Oh, this is really good. Okay, I'm just going to mark my holes. And I got me some drilling to do. tied up. Okay, do. All right, subframe connectors are in. Project is complete. These suckers are super sweet. This car is going to drive so nice. They look like they're going to be way more solid. I love the way these 4 bolts clamp down on my subframe. Such a superior product compared to my old subframe connectors. This is going to stiffen up this car quite nicely. How's that? Such a nice fit. Looks so good. It's so easy, even a girl could do it. Just want to thank Dave again. Pro Touring F-Body. These things are going to be amazing.